let us now see about the numbers that you saw here. The numbers 1, these numbers can change, either it can be 1 here or at different intervals of time, like how in a bazi every 2 hours, the hourly character changes. It can be zia, it can be z, it can be gang metal, like every 2 hours there is rotation. Same way here it happens in the Indian context also, that this number changes and a new Rashi number or a sign number comes, which is related to here, this chart over here. Okay, so the one number that you can see is related with Mesh or the Aries sign. This is the Indian name and this is the English names. Okay, and its lord or the the battlefield player, the name of that player is Mars planet. Okay, then when you see two number in any box, that is related to Taurus sign, the lord of which is Venus. You can write down and keep. This will help you somewhere down the line. If you open charts, at least you will know what these numbers represent. Okay, then this third number, when you see here, the third number like this. So that third number can be here also. Okay, here it can be 3 number, 4 number, and then the sequence can go anti-clockwise. That is what I'm talking about here, this number. So the fourth number sign is the sign of Cancer. Okay, and its lord is moon. Then the fifth sign is the Leo sign, where the player is the sun is its lord. The sixth sign is represented by Virgo, and Mercury planet is its lord. Okay, the seventh sign is the Libra sign, where its lord is Venus. So Venus has two signs. One is the second number, which is Taurus, and one is the seventh number, which is the Libra. Okay, so sun and moon, they have single number, single signs representing, whereas all other planets have two. All other signs, they have two planets. So every planet other than sun and moon has two signs that they represent. Okay, so the eighth one is the call as the Scorpio, and its player name is Mars. So again, Mars, you see the first sign Aries and the eighth sign Mars, the Scorpio. Both the lords are Mars. The ninth sign is the Sagittarius, and its lord is Jupiter. Okay, the 10th one is the Makar, Capricorn. It is called as Capricorn in English, and its sign lord is Saturn. The immediate next one is also Aquarius, 11th, which the planet lord is Saturn. So here these two are the continuous one, the 10th and the 11th. And the 12th one, the sign lord the name is Pisces, and its lord is Jupiter. So here the Jupiter has two signs, Saturn has two signs, Mars has two signs, 1 and 8. Venus has two signs, the second and the 7th. And then the Mercury has two signs, 3rd and 6th. Everyone clear here? Any questions here? Any questions before moving ahead? These are the name of the players that they play on a battlefield ground. What we just saw. It's Mars, Venus, Mercury, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu. These are shadow planets. These both are shadow planets, and they are not given any sign. Any sign is not allotted, but wherever they sit, they take the signification of that sign, of that planet, everything. Okay, they are like guns, they are like dons. Wherever they sit, if they sit in Venus sign, they will acquire the signification of Venus planet. If they sit in moon sign, the Cancer, they will take the signification of moon, that way. Okay, so it's sun and moon who has one sign allotted. Rest all the planets other than Rahu, Ketu are given two signs. Okay, now here this is what when you put your data, the birth details in an Indian software which gives the Indian sign, you get this type of output. Like if you put in a Chinese horoscope, the software, we will get the 8 characters. Here you will get this battlefield ground, So this is what the birth chart is. And recently just I talked, the first one, this one, the one number, first house, second house, this is what it represents. This is first house, this is second house. So I can put this with these numbers, I can write down. Just a minute. Okay, so this will be the first house, and therefore it is not written, because this we have to know, it is taken into consideration that this is known, because it is fixed. So this is known. Okay, So what is this fourth house represent? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Write down in the chat box what this fourth house represent. Just now we saw fourth house was all about. Come on, write down, write down. So this is fifth house, fifth house. You know, this is sixth house. That way. Okay. Now in this, you know, now in this, these are the numbers of the Rashis. So this 4 number represents Cancer, Cancer Rashi. Okay, the sign. Okay, and its Lord is Moon. Its Lord is Moon. Okay, its Lord is Moon. So that is what we have to understand when we open this chart. So what is my first house? Which Rashi is placed or sign is placed here? And what are the players there? What are the players that are there? And when we study all this, you know, all these 3 things in context, we understand the physical features of a person, because this first house is represented by the self, okay? And then, you know, as Venus is there. So Venus is the planet of beauty. You know, Venus is the planet of beauty. Yes, 4th house is primary education. Okay. Okay, so Venus is a planet of beauty. Saturn is a planet, you know, of hard work. So you can say, you know, and moon is also all about, you know, the person physical features would be little bulky because water is the, you know, the element that is represented by moon. So this person may be beautiful, but somewhere bulky in nature and hard working, you can say. You know, it's just general I'm talking. Of course, there will be more things added here, like all other planets or, you know, other players of my, you know, battlefield ground, how they are interacting with this house. That also has to be considered. But in general, I'm giving you an idea. Okay. Same way, if I talk about Mercury, you know, Mercury is all about, you know, representing, if I tell Mercury is your sister or Mercury is your mother's sister, okay? If I talk about relationship, if I talk about color, Mercury is represented by green color. You can write down green color. For Venus, the color is bright white. For Saturn, the color is black. For Sun, the color is orange. Okay, the Rahu is the planet, the color is blue color. Okay, then here moon is white color. Normal white is moon, bright white is Venus. Okay, then Ketu is multicolor or checks color. There, which color you don't understand, you can represent that by Ketu. And for Rahu, here it is gray color, smoky color or illusionary color. Then Mars is represented by red color, Mars. And Jupiter, it's yellow color. So yellow objects in a house, red objects in a house, you can distinguish according to the players that are kept in your house. Okay. So now we move ahead. We have seen what is a birth chart.